Hey guys, it's show day. Ignore the bad audio quality. I'm filming on my phone right now because, yeah, I don't have my camera with me. We're getting into the car. I just got out of class. It's like 1:30 or something. And I feel like I have to sneeze now. Turn this off, it's loud. So I am going to run to Target. I need to pick up, I'm gonna see if they have a car mount, like to put on this bad boy right here, to hold my camera, because I'm gonna go tonight. Obviously I'm going tonight, I have a show, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So yeah, last time, this is a true story. Last time I filmed in the car with my camera, I was at a stoplight and I had my camera literally, I was holding it down here. Like, I didn't think anyone could see it, and I was holding it here and I was at a stoplight. Someone honks at me and then screams something at me. They screamed hey or something. This was during Vlogmas. And I legitimately, it was like this big truck next to me. I 100% thought this person was gonna murder me. So I like locked my doors and I just looked straight forward. I didn't even look at them. They were so scary. And so I just looked forward. It was the longest stoplight of my life. And then they drove really fast, so I stayed slow behind them because I was like, this person might shoot me. And then when they're in front of me, they like put their hand out of the car and thumbs me down. And I was like, what the heck? Like, what is happening? So I am terrified to hold my camera in my hand, even at a stoplight. So I want to get a mount for my car. That way I can talk to you guys while I'm driving there and driving back, because it's like a 25-minute drive to and from the theater. So, so yeah, just come along with me. I'm gonna do some stuff at a Target. I'll film a little bit because you guys know I love Target so much. So let's go. Let's get going. Okay, look at this. This is on clearance for $3, and I'm thinking for St. Patty's Day because it's like green. I don't know. What do you guys think? It's $3, guys. I feel like I should do that. I don't know. Look at this. It doesn't have a price though, so I don't know. That looks kind of cute. Okay, so I found something, and it's for your phone. So we're gonna see if it works. This. So I'm gonna set it up really fast, see if it works. And then I don't have my camera with me, so I'm gonna put my phone on it though, just to see. Guys, I'm in the car. It is 5:37, so I need to get going ASAP. I want to show you guys what's in my bag. So this is my theater bag, and it's just a little Victoria's Secret bag that my mom got me for Christmas. So I have my purse. I have my makeup bag, which is, again, surprise, another Victoria's Secret bag. I've got my curling iron, my hairbrush, my facial spray, my script is in there, and sorry, I'm doing this really quickly because we gotta go. And then I meant to bring a water, but of course I didn't bring a water because it's me. So let's see if this thing works. So we're gonna head. I am going to probably put in some music. This is usually the time that I'll go over lines just to make sure they're fresh in my head, but I'm probably not gonna do that tonight. We had our pickup rehearsal last night, and I was like, you know, I don't need to stress about my lines because I stress so much, even though I know them. I just stress about them, and I'm not sure. It's just anxiety and stuff. But I know them, so I think the more I stress, the more stressed I get, obviously. And so I'm just gonna relax. So I'm just gonna listen to some music, and yeah, we'll be there soon, shortly. Someone brought food. Sometimes there's food and it just, it kills me. I love it. So I'm here at the theater, and I'm gonna go to the dressing room right now and set my stuff down, and then I'll give you guys a little tour of the theater really fast.
But we got through most of your lines real quick.
I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the theater really fast, so come with me. Hannah, my lovely camera lady, is filming. You can do your little roundabout. And hey girl! Okay, so this is the hallway, this is the dressing room, and the men's dressing room is over there, which we don't go into because it's gross and weird. So let's go. So you are right, the house isn't, I know anyone's here, so we can probably go out here.
Yeah, literally.
So this is the lobby. Yes, really pretty. We've got pretty chandeliers and the echo. That's my balcony. Oh my god. Okay, cool. So yeah, that's the house. Backstage.
Pretty dark.
It's freeze to death because it's constantly cold. Oh, look at my outfit. I gotta grab my first one. So, this is my rack. I do a ton of quick changes. I have 4 outfits, so this is my. Can I show this stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. This is for my YouTube channel. This is my nightgown. I wear this a million times. This is my yellow dress. This is my first dress for the dance. I'm gonna take this downstairs actually. So here we are, back where we began. Heading back to the dressing room. So let's go get ready and put on makeup and stuff. Bye. Romeo, wherefore art thou, Romeo? Thanks. Hey guys, so I'm in the Wendy's line right now because I'm a little fatty at night. And so I just finished my show. It went really well. I personally was, it was one of those nights, so I feel like it's so weird acting is because, where's my card? Oh, it's in my, it's like 11 o'clock at night. I just got gas. Literally could not figure out how to do the gas. I was so embarrassed. So I went to the gas station and I slid my card in the thing at the gas pump and it was like error immediately. And I was like, dude, stop. And so I slid it again. It was like error. So I was like, okay, stop. So hold on a second. We're gonna get our food. Thank you. I went to Wendy's, of course. They do the 4 for $4 and I can't live without it. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Okay, let's get the hell out of here. So, like I was saying, first of all, how do I get out of here? Think. I think I just go straight. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Okay, I hope you guys can see me still. My camera keeps kind of sliding down, so I'm sorry. So, I was at it kept declining. It wasn't declining my card, it was just saying, like, can't read it. And I was like, okay. And so I eventually just went into the gas station, and it's like scary. It's like really foggy right now, and I don't know this town, and I'm already just like really nervous person. So I had like my mace in my hand, finger on my mace when I was walking. So yeah, I want to make sure. Yeah, this is right. This is right. I have to get over one. I'm sorry, I'm thinking to myself. Yeah, this is right. Okay, I'm gonna get over one though. So I went in and I was like, hey, can I get 20 on pump 2 or whatever? And he's like, yeah. And so I did that, and I went back out there and I got the thing and I put it in my gas thing, and nothing was coming out, and I like held my hand on the trigger thing for a while, and I tried this for like probably a whole minute and a half, and I was like, nothing's happening. And so I drug my dumbass back inside the store, and I was like, hey, and he's like, did you push the, what did he say? He said like, did you push the black thing down? And I was like, yeah, thinking he's meaning like the trigger. So I'm like, yeah. And so I was like, let me go try again, I guess. And so he walks out there with me, which is terrifying because we're the only two people in this gas station, but he was a really, really nice guy. And so I'm like, I'm pushing it, and he's like, no. And like on the like gas thing, you like push this black thing up where the nozzle used to be. Never dealt with anything like that before in my life. I was like, this is such an old like equipment thing. I was like, it's not my fault. I'm not dumb, okay? Sorry I don't live in 1973, but it's fine. So that was interesting. But what I was saying 5 minutes ago when I first started this conversation with you guys is that some nights I'm like, yeah, that was not the best I've done. And it's not that I did bad, I just feel like it's like with anything, like if you play sports or something, like you have your better nights and you have your nights where you're just off your game a little bit. So tonight I just felt a little off my game, and then at the end my director came up to me and he's like, that was the best night. And I was like, you never really can tell, because if you just, I don't know, I think I just kind of, I don't know if you guys can see me at all, probably not, I'm sorry if you can't, but yeah, so you just really can't tell personally. Now it's raining and I like the rain, so I think rain is a sign of good luck. So, yeah. But, yeah. So I'm just driving home now. Probably gonna eat my Wendy's and just relax for the next 20 minutes or so. And then go to bed probably when I get home.